All right, guys, so what we're going to be working on today, we're going to be looking at patterns and how to understand what the pattern is from the word problem using a table. So let's read the word problem. Let's think about what is being asked, and then we are going to put it into a table form. So it says Maria works at the snack stand at a basketball game. Each frozen yogurt costs $3. And each sandwich costs $6. Maria makes a list of the cost for buying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 frozen yogurts. She also makes a list of the cost for the same number of sandwiches. Show how Maria may have made her list of costs. Write a sentence comparing. We're not going to really write the sentence, but we're going to analyze the data. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table. Okay. I'm going to do 3 columns. This one is going to be the number. This one's going to be the yogurt. And this one's going to be the sandwiches, okay? So for 1, and I'm going to go all the way to 6 because she lists 6. Hopefully, I'm going to run out of room, but it's okay. You'll get the picture. So for 1 yogurt, it costs $3. For 2 yogurts, how much does it cost? $6. For 3 yogurts, how much does it cost? $9. For 4 yogurts, $12. Okay, and then so forth. We're going to do the same thing with the sandwiches. Sandwiches for 1 sandwich, right? Because I'm looking here because it's telling me the number of food item is $6. Then it's $12. For 3 sandwiches is $18. For 4 sandwiches is $24, and so forth. So that's part 1 of the word problems that we're going to be looking at, is creating a table, putting the data in the table, and now the second part is analyzing the information. I'm going to change the color of my pen. So what do you notice about 1 yogurt and 1 sandwich? What's the relationship between 3 and 6? Is that the same relationship between 6 and 12? How do I get from 3 to 6? Well, 3 plus 3 is 6. Does that pattern work for 6 plus 3? Does 6 plus 3 give me 12? No, so that must not be the relationship. It looks like 3 times 2 is 6, right? And is 6 times 2 12? And is 9 times 2 18? And is 12 times 2 24? So the pattern, it looks like, is you're multiplying the yogurt cost by 2. So that's the relationship in this word problem.